Well, happy Monday evening to you. I guess it's evening. It's right at 5 o'clock on Monday. Been down at the shop slinging tires all day and got a trucker down. Somewhere north of Lamar. Right on I-49, I believe. Blew out a steer and then took out some other stuff. We did stop by the local hardware store. That looks like it's a bunch of plastic fittings that broke. And I don't carry plastic fittings. My Napa don't carry those kind of plastic fittings, so we're going to see if we can't figure out how to accommodate something using one of these. I don't know. They pay me good money to figure stuff out, so we're going to do what we can. Today we're rolling with Hollywood.
What's up, guys?
You know what was going to be for dinner tonight? Do you know?
No.
Well, what was cooking at my house?
Beans, pork chops, and bologna.
Continue straight onto Northeast Old Highway 96.
Not going to make it in home in time for anything I've been cooking on this afternoon. That is the real world reality of working 24/7 on road runs. I was going to have a very nice evening tonight, hanging out with my girl, and we was just going to enjoy a little bit of life. Time to go to work. We'll see you on scene, kids. All right, well, we are just getting on scene. Boy, the interstate is busy today. We know we got a very bad potato here that's strung around. We'll have to see. I know there's a water hose leak somewhere that's leaking. I don't know where yet. We got to get it found. I'm not sure what's going on with that. We know how to fix that. That's fairly easy, but there's other things going on here. We will have to get it figured out. But Mr. Hollywood, you ready, sir?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, so we got old Holly down here. We've got, I really don't know what them hoses cool. Probably all you internet warriors know, but it goes up to this DEF system. I don't know what it cools, but I got line going in, line going out. We're gonna try and see if we got enough with us to get it all hooked back up, because I really don't know what those lines do. I can bypass them if I have to, but I just don't know what they do. I may have to phone a friend on this one, because I don't know everything there is to know about everything. Hollywood, do you know everything there is to know about everything?
No, sir.
Okay. Occasionally you just got to admit that I don't know everything. But that's we're going to figure out what it takes to try and get that. If we could just do a decent job of patching, he wouldn't have to stop up the road at any, you know, future facility. We'll just get him done here and it's good enough. We like that. You like that, Holly?
Yes, sir.
I like that. Let's see what we can do. Let's get him going. Let's get him out of here. He wants to go home. Okay, a little weight on the jack.
Yep.
Perfect. 2 points, I'll take it. Yeah, we're good. I appreciate your energetic enthusiasm for wanting to get out of there, but that wasn't the danger crack. It was just a crack. But it was good to see you had some excitement in your pants. That's what happens when a man gets a scare attack right there. And that's reasonable.
There's nothing on the jack now.
Okay. Blowouts, they can be really fun or really not. You never really know. It's kind of like dating. Like on a first date, you really don't know if you're going to be compatible or not until you actually go on the date.
What, she shows you your boobies?
Hey, this is a family-friendly show, Caleb. Family-friendly.
Oh.
But that is where babies start. That is the process. There you go. See, you're doing the dance. Shit. It's going, it's going. Yeah, bingo. All right. Woo. A little bit of a fight.
Hey, look, it's your hair.
It does look like my hair back when I had it.
I was talking about right now.
Oh. Well, put it over there.
Hair.
Just put it over there. Okay. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put some antifreeze in it, and once that's full, we'll probably have them go ahead and get it started, and then we'll get everything circulating while we finish up this tire. I want to make sure that we got no other damages or any other leaks that we don't know about. What do you say, Holly?
That's pouring.
Pouring? You the man?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm used to these big holes.
Well, you know, I think I need to. Yeah, they're
Get out of the danger zone.
Yeah, I know. This is a good video. This is a good video angle. I'm putting my life at risk, see, because people don't know how to get over. He actually turned in my leg like a village idiot. Appreciate you. Let's make you famous. Get over, kids. Just get over. It's the law. Give us some room to work. Some would argue, get out of the lane. And you'd probably be right, too. I just wanted to give you that shot. Things I do for you guys. All right, Internet Warriors. I need your guidance and advice on this one. So this is real. Let me squeeze in here, Holly. This hose right here. Can you see that it's braided? It's like got a line in it. Like it's an electrical line on an air or a coolant line. Goes up into the depth. It's a Volvo. I think I'm gonna wind up, he's gonna go to Joplin with that leaking. It's not catastrophic yet. I think it's better off to leave it just be a leaker than try and cut it and patch it and not know what's underneath there. Like, it's a controllable leak right now. So, what is that and how would you repair it? Like, real question. All right, Holly, let's get this tire on. Let's get this driver rolling. Oh, Holly gave me some sunflower seeds. Now I sound like Uncle Bubba. All right, Hollywood, time to go to work. Careful you don't slam your knee into one of those pokey thingies that don't feel so groovy either. We're not quite high enough. We're gonna fight that. See how we're laying on the ground there? We really need to go up. I think if you give that a boot kick, it'll go on. Well, that works too. Good job. All right. Well, it's getting dark on us, and we still got to get up the road here to the Volvo dealership. But we told the company owner that we would get them there. You're right. No, that's what you need. Some of them fly on. Some of them work a little bit. When we get some air over here, we'll start airing her out. All right, Mr. Holly, get her all hooked up. He is the luckiest guy. He gets just about all these there up all by himself. I think this one will go just fine. Did you pull the core? Pull the core, get a little more volume in there. He's going. What do you have to say about being so lucky?
I just can't help myself.
Is it just the excellence runs down your legs, or does it run down her legs, or where does the excellence go?
Her legs.
Her legs is where the excellence goes. Well, you're probably not wrong. Alright, well, we're going to start packing up, and then we got to follow him up the road here about 30 minutes. So we're going to get cranking and rocking, get him out of here. Let's go.